Alienware's next flagship gaming laptop looks like nothing it's ever made before. The Area 51M looks like something from a sci-fi movie, but what's really cool is that you'll be able to upgrade the CPU and GPU down the line. And if you're familiar with Alienware laptops, you can really see the difference. There are no more sharp edges here, there's a light colored case, there are more rounded corners and just friendlier lines. It looks like a product that would be in WALL-E or something. It's not just a pretty gaming laptop either. Alienware is also doing whatever it can to cram as much power in there as possible. So it supports desktop class, 9th generation Intel CPUs, and NVIDIA's RTX 20 series line all the way up to the 2080. And you can even cram in up to 64 gigabytes of memory. And all that hardware really means this is going to be a crazy powerful machine. Dell claims it's going to be the most powerful gaming laptop out there. It really remains to be seen with all the competition coming this year. But with all that power, there's definitely a lot you can do. And it's also pretty impressive that Dell managed to do all this while making it relatively light for a 17-inch laptop. It weighs 8.5 pounds. That may sound a little crazy compared to really light Ultrabooks, but a 17-inch gaming laptop could easily creep towards 10 pounds. So this is actually pretty impressive. And it's the sort of machine where maybe a competitive gamer will be able to bring along. They'll have a nice large screen in front of them, and it'll have all the power that they need as well. It really puts the idea of a desktop replacement in a different light. So I haven't been able to see it in action yet, but just judging from the hardware and feeling the actual case and the build quality, I'm really excited to see what it can do. And since the Area 51M is running NVIDIA's RTX 20 series lineup, which NVIDIA is showing off here at CES, you'll be able to get those ray tracing features that they just debuted on the desktop side of things. So that means even better performance for games, better frame rates, and honestly, better looking games. It also means you could plug this thing into a TV and just have a ton of gaming power. However you equip the Alienware Area 51M, it's going to be as powerful as many desktop gaming PCs today. So that's really going to change the way I think people play games, even on their TVs. And even though Alienware crammed in all those customizable and expandable features, you can also just plug in their graphics amplifier and get the full power of a desktop class GPU in there as well. That's probably not a huge deal given how fast the RTX series are going to be. But maybe down the line in a year or two, if you don't want to pay for the mobile chip upgrade, you could just plug in that cable and just get a much better boost of performance. Stay tuned to Engadget.com for more news from CES 2019.